Hey, this is Ross with ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're just finishing up a job that is the second half of a job of the building for Tri-County Locksmith. So we did their space and then they moved in out from here, and then they're going to rent this out to a tenant. They want everything looking good. So this is the job we did. This is about 1,500 square feet. We just finished top coating now. There's a lot going on with this floor. There was carpet glue, thin set. There were two drop safe stanchions here that we cut below grade and filled back in. It was actually an 1.25 inch rise that we put in to level out the floor. So this was self-leveling concrete that we used, and we built it up to 1.25 inches to even the floor out. Looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough, and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.